Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to make Besan Chilla. Besan Chilla is a savory Indian pancake made with gram flour and finely cropped vegetables. It's nutritious, quick and perfect for breakfast or a light meal. Firstly, prepare the batter ingredients. Measure 1 cup gram flour besan into the mixing bowl and substitute with chickpea flour if needed. Add finely chopped vegetables and herbs like onions, tomatoes, ginger, coriander leaves, and teaspoon green chili, which is optional to adjust for heat. Now, add spices and seasoning. 2 to 3 pinches turmeric powder and a half teaspoon cardamom seeds, optional, aids digestion, and a 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, then salt to taste. Then add a half cup water before stirring to help combine ingredients smoothly. Now use a whisk to whisk all the ingredients. Add 1 to 3 tablespoons more water if needed to achieve a smooth flowing consistency. Coarser besan may need more water. Ensure there are no lumps in the batter. Now heat a tawa, cast iron skillet or non-stick pan on low or medium-low heat. Add a little oil if using iron or steel pans and pour a ladle of batter onto the center of the pan. Spread gently with the back of the ladle to form a thin pancake. Now cook on low to medium-low heat until the top looks set and small air pockets appear. Drizzle a half or 1 teaspoon of oil around the edges to prevent sticking, and flip carefully and cook the other side gently until golden brown. Now serve hot with yogurt, chutney or sauce and enjoy a healthy, flavorful, protein-rich pancake. Besan Chilla can be customized with other veggies like grated carrots, bell peppers or spinach for extra nutrition. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.